Practice Test 5. Part 1. Question 1. Determine the drop on 115 feet of conductor for a 240 volt installation. 2.3 volts. Voltage drop on 115 feet of conductor with 240 volt installation. 2.3 volts. Voltage drop. 115 feet of conductor. 240 volt installation. 2.3 volts. Question 2. If you change any of the two wires on a three-phase motor, what will be the result? You will reverse the direction of the motor. Change any of two wires on three-phase motor, will reverse the direction of the motor. Changing any two wires on a three-phase motor, will reverse motor direction. Question 3. True statement. Damaged power cables can be spliced and taped for an emergency. True. Damaged power cables can be spliced and taped for an emergency. True. Damaged power cables can be spliced and taped for an emergency. True. Question 4. Watts in an AC circuit are equal to volts times amperes times power factor. Watts in AC circuit equal to volts times amps times power factor. Volts times amps times power factor equal watts in AC circuit. Question 5. On a 110 volt circuit, which of the following conductors is used for the hot wire? Black. 110 volt circuit, black is used for the hot wire. 110 volt circuit, hot wire conductor is black. Question 6. What is the symbol shown? Capacitor. The symbol shown is capacitor. This symbol shows capacitor. Question 7. 1 watt is equal to how many BTU? 3.4131. Almost pi. 1 watt is equal to 3.4131 BTU. Almost pi. 1 watt is 3.4131 BTU, almost pi. Question 8. The maximum cord allowed for a bathroom fixture is 6 feet. 6 feet max cord allowed for a bathroom fixture. Max cord allowed for bathroom fixture is 6 feet. Question 10. The smallest size wire used in a residence is number 14 AWG. 14 AWG is smallest size wire used in a residence. Smallest wire for residence is 14 AWG. Question 11. The maximum number of overcurrent devices allowed in one branch circuit panel is 42. 42 max overcurrent devices allowed in one branch circuit panel. Max overcurrent devices allowed in one branch circuit panel is 42. Question 12. Fuses are specified by amps. Fuses are specified by amps. Fuses are specified by amps. Question 13. The disadvantage of BX cable is all of the above. It can cut the insulation. Only for interior use. It should not be used in a damp environment. Disadvantage of BX cable is all the above. Can cut the insulation. Only for interior use. Not be used in a damp environment. Disadvantage of BX cable is all the above. Can cut the insulation. Only for interior use. Not be used in a damp environment. Question 14. What is the black wire? Hot wire. Black wire is the hot wire. What is the black wire? Black is hot wire. Question 15. Which of the following best describes a single-phase motor? All the above. Split phase or capacitor start. Repulsion induction or repulsion start induction. Permanent split. Best description of single-phase motor. All the above. Split phase, capacitor start. Repulsion induction, repulsion start induction. Permanent split. Best single-phase motor description. All the above. Split phase or capacitor start. Repulsion induction or repulsion start induction. Permanent split.